If you are not able to think or write, then it is okay. In today's time, such AI tools have come that you will not have to do anything. Everything will be through automation, and you can generate a considerable amount of revenue. If you want to learn, then watch the full video. Hello guys! Before the video starts, I will tell you a small story. You have to comment and tell how was the story. Once ChatGPT says to a person how powerful I am, I have the answer to every question. You are nothing in front of me. Then that person smiles and says, "What have you said? You don't know that you are the one who will make you. You are a human being, and those who use you are also a human being. If we do not use you, then you will become a useless tool." ChatGPT realizes its mistake, but you people should not make this mistake. You are smart. You have to tell. You have to comment what you learned from this story. So without wasting time, let's start the video. You have to come to Google and search Deep Brain AI, and you have to click on the first link and you will be shown something like this. You have to open it on the desktop site by clicking on the simple 3-dot, and you can see that there is a lot of characters and every language is absolutely free. So now you have to learn it and earn money. Now you just have to click on Create a New Video. You will have some such show and see as if you had seen 2 AI tools on the thumbnail in an application, and you can see Create a Video with ChatGPT. Then you can understand how much these AI tools will be powerful. Now write the name on the topic on which the video is to be made and select a template. You can do without template as well. Now it will show you something like this. Now you have to come to the background buttons. You can choose any background. You will get the color from here. And if you want to give your own background, then simple. You have to click on the upload option and your file will open. Then you can take whatever you want. So I want this video to put in the background. So I take this and you can see the video is set in the background. If you want to watch the video, turn it on. You can see this is going on when the full video is made, then it will be nice to see. I will set it to 1 second. You guys do it according to yourself. And now I'll go to the second template and I'll do what I did. First, we'll go to the background and click on upload and take a background. Now we will go to the third template and set that too. The video will be too long, so I have not used the rest of the options. Everything is very easy. You just have to check. Everything is easy. I don't want to waste your time because time is very precious. You can use this to create an intro to a video, or write a story, and give a voice to the character. You can also make the character full. Below is the option, and there is also a 3D animation character. You can do a lot with this. You're smart. You know what to do now. I want to teach people something good from the heart, so I try to bring something better every day. Then you also subscribe and share from the heart. Don't waste your time on social media, just subscribe my channel and glow with me. Our video has just been completed, now we have to give voice in it. Just type the voice you want, and as I said, there are many languages available, you can see. You can suck what you want. Now we will type something, and now to download the video, you have to click on the export option. Then you will be asked to sign up, and you will be shown something like this. You will get some options like how did you hear about AI Studio? How would you define your position? What kind of videos do you intend to produce? You guys have to suck. And you have to click on the submit option and you can see below that your video is being exported. As the video is exported, you will get the download option below. Click and download. Now you guys have to see how good the video turned out.
I bring video for you people by doing a lot of effort. Then you have to like the video by doing a little effort and subscribe to the channel and glow with me. Don't waste your time, just subscribe.
Thanks for watching Glow Me AI, just subscribe.